Hi there, this is a cry for help, please. I'm requesting conspiracy cats, can you please?
When you scroll, you'll see when.
Yesterday I released a video about Rantys drones. I have not been involved in the rumors that he did not buy a drone for the money from the fundraiser almost a year ago. I have always believed that he did not learn how to use it. Not such a strange assumption if you look at how badly he mastered your Nikon P1000. What I focused on in yesterday's video was the strange use Ranty planned for the drone. You can find more about it in yesterday's video that I linked to in the description. After I released the video, I received emails and private messages on Discord with the same message. People who have paid to the fundraiser who have the same experience. When the fundraiser was over and nothing happened, they started asking questions. They thought Ranty would do the same that he did when he bought the Nikon P1000 a year before for money fundraised. When he got the camera, he recorded a video where he opened the box. This time Ranty acted completely differently. He did not answer questions. He deleted questions about the drone and blocked people who contributed money and asked questions. Finally, he selected the word drones as a forbidden word to use in the comments on his channel. But how do I know that these people are not lying? Maybe they are not flat earthers, but are just looking to make Ranty look bad. Several have sent me proof that they paid. I also received screenshots of deleted comments. Furthermore, I have received links to videos of Ranty where in the comments it becomes clear that they are telling the truth, they have donated. Furthermore, I have so far received an open comment on yesterday's video that tells the same story. I have also received links to several videos where this fundraiser, made by Ranty, Nathan Oakley and others, where they promote the fundraiser and are telling about the purpose of the drone. I have chosen to show here parts of one of Ranty's videos where he describes the purpose and then we compare with his explanations now and those he gave 11 months later.
We've just had a massive £60 donation by Sean, who's in the chat right now, who says that his donation hasn't showed up. Well, I can assure him it certainly has. Thank you very, very much. Wow, I mean, I do appreciate that. It's sincerely from the bottom of my heart. I think we're about a quarter of the way there now, right now.
Nice.
Oh, we're more than a quarter of the way there.
By the way, Ranty, you could technically present the donation page with your screen to basically show it live.
Okay, let's see if I can sort that out. Let's see. New window. I would have thought, yeah. So, Nathan, thanks very much for the £20. If you're still there. Hello. Oh, he's gone. He's slinked off. Little bugger.
No, he's still in the panel, but...
Oh, is he?
But he's probably away from... Oh, no, he left.
He'll be back.
Oh, he's back.
What's it? You having technical issues, Nate?
Yeah, it just wouldn't let me. It just didn't want me on the iPad for some reason. But to be perfectly honest, I wanted to cheerlead for people to actually contribute to the GoFundMe more than be on the show. Last Rantyathon, what I did, and it was quite hard work, I'm not going to lie, was actually sit in the chat and say to people, "Hooray! Thanks for sticking something in the super chat." Del West Watson for this show. I'm sure Ranty's really appreciative of your super chat, but definitely stick it in the GoFundMe rather than the super chat just for this one.
That's very good advice, actually. Yeah, because I've got so much I want to do with this drone, and the trolls have already started. I have to say, it's like I put just a notification out this morning, letting people know that I would be going live about this, and of course the trolls descended. Why do you want a drone? And I'm like, guys, I'm asking for a drone because A, I'll be able to use this drone for the next few years. It's not going to be like a one-off. And people like, I mean, I'm not going to name, well, I might as well name names. Like, look at Slice Barcania, who did his fundraiser for this water level test. And he was asking for perhaps twice as much as what I'm asking for just the equipment to set this thing up. That was an absolute failure. But the Flat Earthers supported him. You know, we were encouraging him, giving him advice, tips, how to do it, things like that. He didn't take all our stuff on board, but we weren't actually trolling him. And it makes you wonder why, when you put in a fund out to actually, a campaign like this to try and get a drone so that I can do some additional research this year with the P1000 that I was very grateful for everybody donating to last year. But that coupled with a drone, the amount of stuff that I could get through this year, just be unbelievable. You know, all the things I've got planned for up in Scotland and the tests that I can do down at the beach here, it's just, you know, it's just really, it seems like it's a no-brainer really in comparison if you do like for like globe versus the flat. And you know, I mean, I'll be putting this drone to test to work from the minute I get it for sure. And yeah, I mean, even then, it's like, what's the point? Once that's all done, what's the point? You know, am I able to go and do this test right here with these lasers in that I was going to use this for? Is that going to happen anytime soon? We're all in lockdown. We need 3 or 4 people, maybe 5 or 6 people to do this experiment. So we need to be out of lockdown, which means that this drone, when I open it, is out of the box. It's out of the box, and it's not being used for the purpose that it was meant to be. So these are the lasers that I'll be using to go across that 6-mile test. There's 2 in here, I think. I'll do something else. I'll have to ask him exactly what's what. We've got another beast of one here. Ooh, look at that. And that. But you know what? I'm not going to use them. I'm not going to put the batteries in them. I'm not going to switch them on. What's that come from? Did that come out there? I think it did. I'm not going to turn them on. I'm not going to use them. Not until they're needed. It's just the way it is. It's just the way I am.
The purpose of the drone has obviously changed suddenly. When you compare what Ranty said last year and what he says now, it becomes obvious that he is not telling the truth about how he motivated that he needed a drone. This also reinforces the suspicion that he only bought the drone now. I have believed that Ranty was honest in his intent regarding his channel. That he was genuine in his attempts to try to prove that the Earth is flat. Unlike others who obviously see flat Earth as a source of income. I have always wondered why Ranty did not learn to film and photograph. Although the P1000 is not a particularly good camera, you can get significantly better pictures and videos from it than he does. Now I start to wonder if he was at all interested in creating good images. Or if his driving force has always been extra income. Why am I making this video? Although I'm not a flatter earther or paid Ranty money, I don't think anyone deserves to be fooled. Although they are flat earther. If you watch this video Ranty, you want to restore your name, there is only one thing to do. Show that receipt of when you bought the drone or give a good explanation as to why you bought it 10 months later than you previously said. You should also apologize to those who donated money. Obviously, you did not treat several of them in an okay way. One thing I can promise you is this Ranty. I will continue to review you and your videos. If you want to learn how to use your camera and drone, my offer remains. You just need to ask me, and I'll help you. You owe it to your donors, to learn how to use the things they paid for. What you are producing now is, frankly, pure crap. That was all for today.